Venice holds a special place in the collective imaginary between dream and reality. Its particular conformation, the richness of its architecture, the presence of water in every form of business, and the pedestrian dimension make it an almost fictional place, leaving aside the pressure of a normal city where to live, study, or work. And it's not just the logistical aspects of the city. What really generates curiosity and wonder is the Venetian way of living, slow and human. A way of life that is organized around the waterways and the ways of moving to the lagoon and the canals and long quays and fields where everything is clear and close. A routine that has remained almost unchanged over the centuries, as shown by the paintings of great local artists from Carpaccio to Canaletto, from Longhi to Guardi. In addition to everyday life, public and religious celebrations and regattas were very present in the iconography of the past, as moments of social life and celebration of the city and its organization. Events and anniversaries inherited from the past and still preserved today to witness an ultra-millennial culture and history. Occasions that continue to attract crowds from all over the world and that are undisputably intertwined with the very image of the city. Ceremonies such as the Festival of the Redeemer or Redentore, with the magical fireworks reflecting on the water in St. Mark Basin and recalling the liberation from the plague of 1575, or the parades on water such as the Historical Regatta with the costumes and traditional crafts, or the Festa del Sensa or Ascension, which renews the rite of the marriage between the Doge and the sea, or more articulated celebrations such as the Venetian Carnival, which was brought back in the 1970s and has since become one with the city itself, an event which implies a tremendous organizational effort structured over several weeks and is aimed at an audience of all ages, offering culture and entertainment. Among the promotional opportunities in Venice, the festival Città in Festa, or Cities on Festive Occasions, has been added more recently, mostly aiming at an audience of residents and guests of the metropolitan city. It is a format which has joined together events in a rich calendar for the last few years and is meant for the whole territory of the mainland city, along with the islands. The initiative aims at entertaining and requalifying urban centers, while at the same time improving security, encouraging aggregation and viability in places at all times. The website www.veneziaunica.it and the sites dedicated to the specific individual events are constantly updated with all the information regarding programs, shows and tickets. The social media channels at Venezia Unica also provide photographic and video content from several collaborations.